The sidewalk on the Buda side between the Margaret Bridge and the Chain Bridge gives a chance for a nice walk. It is approximately 2 kilometers or 1.2 miles and takes about 20 minutes. Halfway through you will find the Batthyány Square, which is a junction point too. You can get on trams, buses, underground and passenger ships from here. Because of the view of the Hungarian Parliament on the other side of the Danube, this is a very popular photo spot during the day and after dark as well. Note that along the way from Batthyány Square to the Chain Bridge, both pedestrians and bikers use the sidewalk, so be extra careful, especially if you walk around with children. By the way, children, just a few minutes walk from the Batthyány Square towards the Chain Bridge, you will find this small statue of a little something staring at the river. He is a Hungarian animated cartoon character called the Chief Worm, still very popular among kids. The story is about a dedicated angler whose only wish in life is to catch some fish, but he never succeeds. The Chief Worm is not only a bait but also a liaison between the guy and the fishes of the lake. The angler would not put the worm on a fishing hook since they are friends, so they use a belt instead, as you can see it here. Find the Chief Worm statue along your way, enjoy your walk and come back for our next bite-sized video.